Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and in this video I'm going to review the Spider Wireless Aviation headset, model SW100A. Later in this video I will share the results of a flight test, but first let's take it out of the box and have a look. The box contains a headset bag, a leaflet with some guidance and technical details, and the set itself with an aux cable. First impressions are good, with a solid build and head and ear cushioning that looks and feels comfortable. Now let's get airborne and see how it sounds and feels in the air. Aboard the aircraft we first tested the headset with me wearing it and the pilot wearing his own David Clark headset. Once the pilot had adjusted the radio to suit the headset, the sound was crisp and clear. First impressions were that this headset was easily as good as any other in its class. We took off from Solent Airport and flew south toward the Isle of Wight, then turning east and south again over Bembridge Airfield. Once settled into the flight, the pilot replaced his David Clark set with his Spider Wireless spare. With us both using a Spider Wireless headset, there were no problems at all. We could hear each other clearly, as well as all the radio calls to and from the tower at Solent Airport.